If you want to switch to dark mode in ElevenLabs, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to change the interface from light mode to dark mode in just a few seconds. This is a simple setting, but it can make a big difference if you prefer a darker screen, especially when working later in the day or when you want a more comfortable viewing experience. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is sign in to your ElevenLabs account. Open ElevenLabs in your browser and log in with the account you normally use. Once you're inside the dashboard, look toward the top of the screen for your profile icon. This is usually where your account settings and personalization options are stored. Click on your profile icon to open the menu. After the menu appears, look for the option called Theme. This is where ElevenLabs lets you change the appearance of the interface. Click Theme to continue. You should now see the available display options, and from here, choose Dark. As soon as you select Dark, the interface will switch over to dark mode automatically. There's usually no extra saving step needed, so you should see the new look right away. If it doesn't update immediately, just give it a second or refresh the page once and the dark theme should apply, and that's all there is to it. You've now successfully switched ElevenLabs to dark mode. It's a very quick change, but it can make your workspace feel a lot more comfortable and easier on the eyes. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want to see more ElevenLabs tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.